Two truths and a lie. A fun way to practice expressing likes and dislikes in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're diving into an exciting activity called Two Truths and a Lie. This game is all about expressing your likes and dislikes while also having a bit of fun trying to deceive your friends. So, are you ready? Let's jump in. In Two Truths and a Lie, each player tells 3 statements about themselves, 2 of which are true and 1 that's not. It's up to the other players to guess which statement is the lie. This game is a fantastic way to practice your English conversation skills, especially when discussing likes and dislikes. For instance, you could say, 1. I like hiking. 2. I dislike olives. 3. I love swimming in the ocean. Can you guess which one is a lie? That's right, the third statement is the lie. I don't like swimming in the ocean. Now, it's your turn. Think about your likes and dislikes. They can be about food, activities, music, or even about places you've been to. Write down 3 statements about yourself. Remember, 2 must be true and 1 must be false. Now that you have your statements ready, it's time to play. If you're in a classroom setting or have friends learning English, play with them. Otherwise, you can play this game with anyone willing to listen and guess. It's a great way to engage in English conversation and gain more fluency. To make your lie more believable, mix up the order of your statements. It's natural for people to put the lie last, so try to avoid that. Also, make your truths seem a bit unusual to throw people off the scent. This will make the game more interesting and fun. And there we have it. Two truths and a lie. A simple and effective game to help you practice expressing your likes and dislikes in English. I hope you have as much fun playing this game as I did teaching it. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!